Maya's marvelous birthday bash. Once upon a time, in the charming village of Meadowville, where meadows stretched as far as the eye could see and laughter echoed through the air, lived a spirited girl named Maya. Maya was known for her kind heart, infectious laughter, and a love for adventure that sparkled in her eyes. As the sun rose on a bright and sunny day, something magical was brewing in Meadowville, the anticipation of Maya's birthday party. Maya, who had been eagerly counting down the days to her special celebration, woke up to the delightful aroma of pancakes and the sound of her family bustling about in the kitchen. "Happy birthday, Maya!" her parents chorused as she entered the room, her little brother Leo clapping his hands in excitement. Maya's eyes lit up with joy, and a radiant smile spread across her face. Thank you," she exclaimed, hugging her family tightly. As they sat down for a birthday breakfast, Maya's parents, Mr. and Mrs. Roberts, couldn't help but marvel at how their little girl had grown into a bright and caring young lady. After breakfast, the family gathered in the living room, where a table adorned with colorful decorations and a dazzling cake awaited Maya. "Before we start the day's festivities, Maya, there's something special for you," Mr. Roberts announced, handing her a beautifully wrapped gift. Maya eagerly unwrapped the package, revealing a handmade scrapbook filled with memories, capturing the moments and adventures shared by the Roberts family. Tears of joy welled up in Maya's eyes as she flipped through the pages, reliving the love and laughter that filled her life. "Oh, it's perfect. Thank you, Mom, Dad, and Leo," Maya exclaimed, hugging her family once again. With the morning celebration complete, Maya's excitement only grew. Today was not just any day, it was a day for friends, laughter, and a magical birthday party that would be remembered for years to come. Maya's parents, knowing their daughter's love for adventure, had planned a day full of surprises and delights. The first surprise awaited Maya in the backyard, a colorful banner with the words, "Happy Birthday, Maya," stretched across, leading to a magical gateway adorned with balloons. As Maya stepped into the backyard, she was greeted by a chorus of cheers from her friends and neighbors. The village had come together to celebrate the birthday of their beloved Maya. Balloons of every hue bobbed in the breeze, and the sweet scent of freshly baked treats filled the air. Maya's best friend, Lily, rushed forward with a grin. "Happy birthday, Maya. Get ready for the most amazing day." The backyard had been transformed into a festive wonderland, complete with a bouncing castle, a face-painting booth, and a stage for the upcoming magic show. The excitement was contagious, and Maya couldn't believe her luck. The first activity on the agenda was a scavenger hunt, carefully crafted by Lily. Each clue led Maya to a special place in the village, where friends and neighbors eagerly awaited with small gifts and warm wishes. From the village bakery, where Mrs. Baker handed her a cupcake adorned with sparklers, to the enchanting garden where Mr. Green gifted her a bouquet of vibrant flowers, the scavenger hunt was a journey through the heart of Meadowville. As the sun climbed higher in the sky, Maya returned to her backyard, beaming with joy and gratitude for the love surrounding her. "Now, Maya, it's time for the magic show," Lily announced, leading Maya to the stage where a magician named Professor Whimsy awaited. Professor Whimsy, a whimsical figure with a top hat and a cape, dazzled the audience with mind-boggling tricks and illusions. Maya, seated in the front row, couldn't contain her amazement as rabbits multiplied and colorful scarves danced in the air. The magic show concluded with a grand finale, an enormous birthday cake that seemed to appear out of thin air. Maya made a wish and blew out the candles, her heart brimming with happiness. The next surprise was a petting zoo, where adorable animals awaited to share in Maya's joy. Fluffy bunnies, gentle lambs, and even a pony named Sparkle greeted Maya with soft fur and friendly nuzzles. The petting zoo, organized by Lily's parents, brought an extra touch of enchantment to the celebration. As the day unfolded, Maya's backyard transformed into a carnival of games, laughter, and joy. There were sack races, a dunk tank, and even a photo booth where friends could capture silly memories. The village baker set up a booth with a variety of delicious treats, from cotton candy to popcorn, delighting both young and old. Amidst the festivities, Maya's family and friends gathered to sing a heartfelt rendition of Happy Birthday. The entire village joined in, making it a chorus that echoed through the meadows. Maya felt a surge of gratitude, surrounded by the love and warmth of her Meadowville family. As the sun dipped below the horizon, the festivities continued with a mesmerizing lantern release. Each lantern carried the heartfelt wishes of Maya's friends and family, illuminating the night sky with a constellation of dreams. The grand finale of Maya's birthday party was a spectacular fireworks display that painted the sky in vibrant colors. The night sky sparkled, mirroring the joy in Maya's heart. As the last firework burst into a cascade of golden sparks, Maya gathered her family and friends close. Thank you, everyone. This has been the most magical birthday ever. Lily hugged Maya tightly. You deserve it, Maya. You bring magic into all our lives, and today was our way of saying thank you. Maya's parents joined the embrace, and Leo, now sleepy-eyed, but still full of excitement, chimed in. Best birthday ever, Maya. The village of Meadowville slowly quieted down, the lanterns drifting away like stars in the night. Maya's magical birthday had come to an end, leaving behind memories that would linger in the hearts of everyone who had shared in the celebration. As Maya drifted off to sleep that night, surrounded by the warmth of her family, she felt a profound sense of gratitude and love. The day had been a whirlwind of joy, surprises, and the magic of friendship. In the heart of Meadowville, where meadows stretched as far as the eye could see, Maya's marvelous birthday bash had become a legend, a tale of laughter, love, and the enchantment that blooms when people come together to celebrate the magic within each other's hearts. And so, in the village of Meadowville, the echoes of Maya's birthday celebration became a reminder that the most magical moments in life are the ones shared with the ones we hold dear.